Hello everyone, this is Providencia. Welcome to my channel. I'm sorry to bring this video a little late. I know we're not in the holidays. The holiday passed weeks ago. But if you watch my other two videos with my ham and my turkey, you will know why. And I really do not want to repeat that again. So just watch the other videos. I'll leave the link in the description box below and you'll know why I'm bringing these videos late. This is my coquito recipe. I know a lot of people always ask me, how do you make your coquito? How do you make your coquito? Well, here it goes. With that being said, let's go and start this video. I know you see a pot. I'm going to explain this in a minute. But I am going to add 2 cups of water to this pot. And yeah, like I said, I will explain in a minute why I'm doing this, but that's the first thing you're going to want to do. 2 cups of water. And I'm going to add 3 cinnamon sticks. I'm going to boil it until it has a nice color. You're going to want to boil this for at least a good 10 minutes. Once you do that, turn it off and let it sit and make sure it cools down before you start mixing everything to make the coquito. So the water is cooled. Here I am showing it to you. And we are going to start making this coquito. This coquito is so good. My family loves when I make it. First, you're going to want to add evaporated milk, 1 can. Also, you need a blender for this recipe. I mean, you could use a bowl and whisk everything, but I really highly suggest use a blender for this. Sweetened condensed milk. I like to use a spatula just to make sure I grab everything from the can. You know that sweetened condensed milk could be very thick. Cream of coconut or crema de coco. Add it in there very slowly because in the bottom it be very liquidy and on the top it be a little thick. You don't want to just throw it in there and then it splatters all over the place. Trust me, put it in very slow. I'm gonna use 1/4 cup of the water that you saw me boiling earlier, and you're gonna add it in there. Why am I adding it in there, you say? I know a lot of people do coquito with all the cans and most of everything that you're gonna see in this recipe. The reason why I like to add it is because coquito could be type sweet, and I'm sorry, I like to add that for it don't be too sweet. So that's why I add it. It's not gonna change anything. It's still gonna be banging. Trust me. Now, if you don't want to do that part, then fine, don't do that part. But nobody has never gave me a complaint about my coquito. I'm sorry. So just to simmer it just a little bit of sweetness, I like to add the water, and I boil the cinnamon stick for it can still have that cinnamon taste in the coquito as well. Now it's time to add the Bacardi, the best part. I'm gonna use 1/3 cup of Bacardi. Now you can make it more stronger, you can make it a little light. It all depends how much liquor you want in your coquito. I think 1/3 is okay for like a party. Maybe there's people that are light drinkers, so 1/3 will be good. But in this video, you see that I added more because I like liquor and so does my family. But yes. Next, I am going to grate some nutmeg. Now, if you got the ground nutmeg, by all means. I didn't have none because I was going to show you an example. You guys know I always show you an example, but I didn't have none. But yes, you could use ground nutmeg. I'm going to use this little thing right here that I usually grate my nutmeg for my coffee in the morning. I got that in the Dominican Republic, and that's how I'm doing it. I am also gonna add cinnamon powder. Now you can add a little or a lot. It all depends how much you want to add to your coquito. That's why I'm not giving you no measurements with the nutmeg and the cinnamon powder. None of that stuff. Just add a decent amount. Also, I am gonna add some vanilla. And we're just gonna mix that all up. Well, the blender's gonna mix it all up. Now, I am doing this a day in advance. You're gonna wanna do that because you're gonna wanna put this in the refrigerator. So please, if you're gonna do it a day before. I tasted it and I was like, oh hell no. No, more Bacardi please. And mix it all up again. Here I am preparing the bottles. You could use any bottles though. Just save a couple of bottles throughout the year, liquor bottles, and you could also put it in there. Doesn't have to be fancy. Use one of those fennel. I hope I'm saying that right. And yeah, add your coquito. That's right. I love coquitos. Try not to fill it up all the way to the top because we are going to add 1 cinnamon stick. When you add 1 cinnamon stick, shake it up, close it up, put it in the refrigerator. I ended up doing a second batch, and this is going to be for my older son. He likes when I make it with the pumpkin pie spice. Yes, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm adding everything that you just saw me add, but I'm going to add pumpkin pie spice just to give it a little kick of pumpkin. He loves that one, so I made him his own bottle. Here I am giving y'all advice not to fill it all the way up, and I filled it up all the way to the top. But yeah, I took some out and added the cinnamon stick. And yeah, you could do it the way I just showed you, or you could do it this way. I'm also adding a pea before I could know that one is his. I couldn't find the original clip, so I'm adding this clip from TikTok. And yeah, Coquitos is done. Put it in the refrigerator. The next day, it tastes even better. Now, I'm truly sorry that I didn't get to show it to you in a cup and all that good stuff. But as you can see, I cooked a lot. Well, not this part. I only made the tres leche and the pastelillo de guayaba. But yeah, I was really busy that day. But anyhow, I'm just showing you all of the desserts that we ate on Thanksgiving Day. God, oh my God, Thanksgiving Day. And I'm doing this video in January. Oh my goodness. But yeah, that was all the desserts. I'm laughing about it. It's funny. I'm sorry. But yeah, that's all the desserts. I know I said that like 3 times. I also did a video on the tres leche and the pastelillo de guayaba. So that should be coming soon. This is everything that I made for Thanksgiving. There's going to be videos on everything. I just posted my turkey and my ham is on my channel. I'm going to leave the links in the description box below. There's stuffing, Dominican potato salad, gravy, cranberry sauce, green beans with bacon, candy yams, yellow rice with vegetables, deviled eggs, dinner rolls, all that good stuff. That's right, I get down in the kitchen. As far as the coquito goes, the next day it gets more thicker. So if you're gonna serve it with some nice ice because it will get thick the next day. I just want to point that out. Also, I want to apologize again for posting all of these videos up. I know, I'm wrong. I know. But I sure hope that you guys give this video a thumbs up. Maybe you may not be able to do it now, but save this in your playlist. See it again around the holidays and do it for your family. Okay, you guys? So take care. God bless. Many, many blessings. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.